Belizean Panades. 15 ounces canned tuna in oil. Drain the oil from the cans. Tuna in oil is extremely important. Using tuna in water is dangerous. When the panades fry, they tend to open a little. Using an oil base will minimize the spatter. Place the drained tuna in a bowl. Two cups corn masa. If available, get the instant corn masa flour. 1½ cups water. 2 teaspoons red recado. If red recado is not available in your area, use achote anato. Mix until there are no lumps. Pour the red recado mix into the masa. Blend by hand. Before forming the balls, make sure the color is even. Make 12 1-inch balls. Cut 13 wax paper sheets. Place one sheet on the bottom, followed by a ball and wax sheet on top. Press the ball into a tortilla using a tortilla press. Remove the flattened tortilla. Repeat with the rest of the balls. Using a spoon, scoop about a tablespoon of tuna into the tortilla. Fold the tortilla in half. Press the edges down to seal into a panade. Panades are flat on one side and rounded on the other. Repeat the process. The panades are ready to fry. In a frying pan on medium-high heat, add 16 ounces of frying oil. Wait until the oil is hot, then place the panades in. Fry until the panades are golden brown and crispy. This is around 30 seconds to a minute, depending on the heat. You will find the importance of the tuna in oil during the frying time. It is normal for some panades to crack open or split when frying. If tuna in water is used, the water will cause the hot oil to splash up. Remove the panades when they are crispy. Remember, the tuna is already cooked. Allow panades to cool to hold. Enjoy the pickled onions on top. This is the list of ingredients you will need in order to enjoy the perfect Belizean Panades.